Moonlighting has been in constant discussion for the past few months, especially in the IT sector. There are heated debates about moonlighting. Veteran professionals and companies of the IT sector are divided on this issue. On one hand, it is being called unethical, and on the other hand, it is being called the right of the employee. Amidst all this, Income Tax Department and chartered accountants have started jumping into the debate. Before moving forward, let's first understand that what really is moonlighting. Let's say you're working in an IT company and your shift duty is of 9 hours. You return home after finishing office work, then as a freelancer, you do work for some other IT company or vendor. Not limited to the IT sector, but moonlighting happens in every sector. Often people resort to it to increase their income, while vendors adopt this method to reduce the cost. The debate on moonlighting heated up when Wipro's Rishat Premji made public comments about it. He took to Twitter to express his opinion and termed it as immoral. After this, top IT executives jumped into the debate. Talking about the current scenario, many well-known companies have accepted moonlighting. The country's second largest IT company, Infosys, at first opposed it, but later the company allowed its employees to do so. The only condition here was that the employee will have to get approval from his manager or HR department in advance. Earlier, food delivery startup Swiggy had given moonlighting exemption to its employees. Now this moonlighting tax is snatching away the sleep of officials and CAs. Actually, this has emerged as the biggest question, that how will the income from moonlighting be taxed? As there is no separate provision of taxation for moonlighting, so let's talk about it now. CA Nitesh Buddhadev, founder of Nimit Consultancy, explains that the income earned from moonlighting can be taxed in two ways. In most cases, the vendor deducts TDS while making the payment, whereas the earnings from moonlighting gets added in your basic income and accordingly the tax slab is determined. While filing income tax return, you have to pay tax according to the same slab. If your total income is not taxable, then you can claim refund of the deducted TDS. Those who do moonlighting can take care of these things. Buddhadev explains that the person should show the earnings from moonlighting as professional fees. The advantage of this is that the spendings incurred in this work can be shown as an expense. Also, the vendor or company from which you have got the job should be provided with information about the salary received from your employer so that he can deduct TDS on it after assessing the total income. Another option is to pay advance tax in 4 installments. If you miss both of these options, then you will have to pay 4 installments of advance tax at one go along with penalty while filing income tax return.